Hi, my name is Lydia Dunn, and I wanted to give a big shout out to Japon Glass for doing an awesome job in my shower. It's actually not a full shower, it's just they call it splash guard from the shower. So it was such an easy process to get the shower, to get the order. Installation was on time. Whenever they said they will be here, they were here, and easy, seamless job. We really enjoyed it, and it works great. It's no leaks, and it looks absolutely awesome. So they also did this window. Actually, they didn't replace the whole window. They replaced just the glass panels and with the old frame and resealed it. And funny enough that we had a big storm literally 2 days later, and it was a great test for this window because it didn't leak. It was all just perfectly holding all together. The reason we actually wanted to change this because it's old. It's original to the house, and it was foggy. It was already old, kind of looked like this window was, yeah, not that really pretty. And we wanted to change it and make sure we have more light in the house, and they did an awesome job. I really like it.